Hi everyone, welcome back to my kitchen and welcome to the first episode of Sweetheart Sundays, and also welcome to Super Bowl Sunday. So the month of February we're going to concentrate on some sweets in honor of Valentine's Day. And so we'll be coming up with some desserts or munchies that are on the sweet side, and you can use them for your desserts or snacks or whatever you'd like. Before I start today, I wanted to show you something that I got. Hold on one second. I use Walmart grocery pickup all the time, and I got a gift bag today. Look at this, or yesterday actually, when I picked up the groceries, and it says it's live live for the Super Bowl, and it is sponsored by Tostitos, so I guess is who put out this bag. But let me just show you what's in here. There was some cheddar rice crisps. There's a little Miami Party recipe book for appetizers. A little bag of popcorn. Some Doritos Cool Ranch flavor. Some Doritos Flaming Hot Lemon, and a Pepsi Zero. Whoops. They must all be sponsors of the Super Bowl, and I thought that was really great. Now I think I still have a code that I can share with anybody who'd like to try that, the grocery pickup. We love it. It does save you money, folks, if you're interested in saving money, because I make out a meal list for the week and then list the groceries that are needed for that meal list, and then go through the cabinets for any of your regular things, spices or sugars or flours or things like that that you need to replace. Put them down, pick them up, and I don't go up and down all of the aisles and pick up stuff that I don't need and didn't have plans to use in the first place. So anyway, if you want one, I'll leave a code down in the description, and you can give it a try. I think you still get $10 off your first order if you're trying it out. So let me bring you down to the table, and we're going to make a peanut butter crunch pie. Now does that sound good, huh? Be right back. Okay, here we are down at the counter. Let me get my bag out of the way. Peanut butter crunch pie. Very, very simple. First you need a blind baked pie shell. And I hate blind baking. I've docked it, and that came out fine, but look, it just separated completely right here. Must have had a crack in it. But guess what? The pie will taste just as good. Then you're going to use 1 cup of confectionery sugar. Now that's, remember, not regular sugar, confectionery sugar. And a half a cup, and it calls for crunchy peanut butter. I only have smooth, but I'm going to fix that. And half a cup of peanut butter. I mean, it's good already, right? Huh? Now I only have smooth peanut butter, but I had peanuts. So I chopped up some peanuts, and we'll put those in. Now we're just going to mix this together until it forms sort of like a crumbly texture. Now this recipe calls for you to make a vanilla custard. That's sugar, cornstarch, egg yolks, milk, vanilla, um, and it calls to cook it on the stove. But I'm not going to do that. And I actually, when I made this last month, it was the first time I ever made it, and Bob thought it was delicious. I thought it was delicious. And you can see it's kind of getting crumbly. I have the biggest habit of concentrating on what I'm doing and moving right out of camera range. Somebody should yell at me through the camera lens saying, hello. Okay. I think that's pretty crumbly in texture. Just going to see if I can squish up some of this peanut butter. Okay, so when I made this last month, I didn't want to sit there and make a custard. I've made many a custard in my lifetime, but I thought, you know, there's got to be an easier way. So, of course there's an easier way. There's vanilla pudding. Now, this is the small box. I think I'm going to use a big box today. Don't know if it'll be too much or not, but we'll find out. But the vanilla pudding, and you can make it with sugar-free vanilla pudding or regular vanilla pudding. This is a French vanilla pudding, and it's, you know, it's like a custard. So don't waste your time making the custard if you can buy the vanilla pudding. But if you want to make the custard, feel free. Okay, so what I'm going to do here is take about half of this and put it in this pie shell. And then we're going to put the custard on top of this. And I'm going to use today chocolate pudding. I'm going to try that. I mean, who doesn't like peanut butter and chocolate? Are you kidding me? So let's mix up the chocolate pudding according to the package directions. This one actually asks for 2.5 cups of milk if you're using it for the pie. And if this is too much, and I think it probably will be too much, I'll just put the remainder in little custard bowls. And the other reason it's nice to use the pudding instead of making the custard is, of course, the custard has to cool, and that takes that much longer for your pie to set and get ready to eat. Now it is 3:30 right now in the afternoon, and we eat dinner around 6, and this would be ready to eat for dessert. You can see it's getting thicker. So I am going to pour in as much as I can get. Oh, I think I'll probably get it all in there. Okay, so a family size is the size to use. And now, all we're going to do is to take the rest of this and sprinkle it all over the top. Trying not to drop it off onto the floor. I mean, who's not going to like this? I'm sure the kids will enjoy it. I think the mamas and daddies will enjoy it too. So there you go. Now I'm going to put that in the refrigerator, let it set up, and I'll try and get a picture of this for you when we cut it tonight for dessert. How simple was that? Now I'm thinking you could use, how about Nutella with some chopped almonds, or almond butter with chopped almonds. And you could use this with not pineapple, butterscotch pudding. A simple, simple thing. 1 cup of sugar, half a cup of peanut butter. Put whatever filling you want in between it, and a blind baked pie shell. Couldn't be easier. I'll see you back when it's time to eat. See you later. Okay, so let's see what this looks like. I'm pushing the envelope a little bit here, cutting this. Probably should cool a little bit longer, but we're going to see. Look at that. Look at that. Perfect, huh? Lovely. I'll give it a quick taste. Just a quick taste because I haven't actually eaten dinner yet. Chocolate and peanut butter. Chocolate and peanut butter. How could you go wrong? Lovely. Try it. You'll love it. I guarantee it. Okay, I'll see you Tuesday. We'll do something. Talk to you then. Have a great evening. And I hope the right team wins, whatever the right team is, because I'm a Patriots fan. So neither one of them are the right team for me. But anyway, talk to you later. Bye-bye.